Here's how you can quickly and easily change the background on your notes. And hey, if you find this iPad top tip useful, feel free to subscribe to my channel. There are loads more quick tips for iPad and iPhone waiting for you over there. I've jumped straight in here with a new note. I'm going to press the More Options button in the top corner, the one that looks like the three little dots. And then I'm going to choose Lines and Grids. On this screen, you can then choose the background for your note. You can have lines of different thicknesses and grids of different sizes as well. I'm going to jump onto the smallest lines option, and then I can start writing with my pencil along those lines, like a normal piece of paper. Now if I go back and press that button again, I can change the background type, even though I've started writing on my note. I'll go for the grid now, and you'll notice that the lines on the paper before and the lines on the grid match up, which is a nice little touch. I can then start writing my list, and I can do tick boxes next to it, which is a really helpful thing to have a gridded background for. It's a really simple tip, but now you know it, you're never going to want a blank notes background ever again.